Hello everyone, my name is Eric and this is the developing chart. I'm going to, on this video, take a random time frame and evaluate the chart, move time forward and see where there's good entries and good exits. Hopefully we will have some profit today. So I'm going to be working on US dollar, Canadian dollar. And I'm going to click replay. I'm going to start new. And random bar. Okay, so our date here is just Monday, December 13th, 2021. So if you want to check, go back. Again, come on. I am beginning, and this is basically like a journal, I guess, through my trading as I develop the skill, if it even is a skill, and we'll just see, monitor. Okay, so first off I go to the weekly. I kind of get a sense of where some fair market values are from consolidation areas, and then we follow our expansion pattern. 1, 2, 3, come back down here. Based on the pattern, we may be coming up back to this fair market value. There is other framework that it could react with on the weekly. Let's just take a quick look at the monthly. And then up, down. All right, so I'm still edging up. There is an unconfirmed consolidation box here. This could become a magnetic point, but we'll see. That's on the monthly. So down here we have our daily chart, and let me just zoom out and get a sense of the lay of the land here. This looks like fair market value roughly around the same level on the weekly, which I thought might be coming back up. This too may be coming back up to there. We have more framework here. It may reject off of over here perhaps. So we're just kind of getting a sense of what's going on. It's currently on an uptrend. We're seeing here. So this is our trend line for the current activity. So this is the daily trend line, and you can see here that we had a confirmation yellow dot, which mentioned it was on a downtrend. So here we just confirmed to the upside again. So we are in an uptrend. Here's the dot up. Okay, let's take a look at the 4 hour. Where is it? Okay, so everything's up there. Keep losing it, and we are definitely on the up here as well. Candles? Yeah, I guess those are. Never mind. So we have the box here. We came up to the box, down. We're at the fair market value. I think I'm not in this one, but I'm gonna probably predict that it keeps going up for a little bit before there's any available new entry or anything. Obviously down here would have been a pretty good entry. So we're going to skip forward time and get a sense of whether or not this does continue to go up. We have on our 5-minute some value lines here. We got our pattern. We got a new box down here. Now if it reacts off of this box, if it reacts off this fair market value and it looks like it's going to go up. Now I still think it's going to take out, then there it goes. Is it going to go all the way up there? Now this is the weekly, so this took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks just to get from there to there. So from here to here could take 5 weeks, could take 10 weeks if it goes down. I think that is an ultimate spot, but to get there is a long journey. So we just reached top liquidity here. It may continue to push on through and expand this expansion area. If it does, it may take out this liquidity line here, or there or there. Let's take a look at what's going. Let me get rid of this. The daily is also coming up to some highs. All right, keep on that. Let's see how much higher it goes, if it even goes any higher. Okay, moving along here. We're above this fair market value. Coming down. All right, here we're starting to approach our trend line on the 4-hour. So this thing may have stopped running, or it's just consolidating. The big banks are loading up a little more, take out some liquidity, and then continue to go up. But it's probably fast forwarding. Like I said, this is bouncing off of here. We are again coming back up on the trend line. We blasted through this liquidity. We could be taking out that and that. I think this thing is still going higher. And I think it's at the end of its run. It may have more to go, but that's why I'm not like getting in on some of these. Maybe here where it was underneath, but it's really trending up. Maybe in here when it goes below that fair market value, but you got to really have faith that it's gonna keep going up, or confidence rather. And that's a big spike. All right. Did we take out that level there on the daily? Close, but we never actually hit it. We still might. This might be cleaning out all of these stops right here, and it could go back up here. Take out that fair market value line. We are still trending up. This could be like a major buy-in price. If you wanted to go in really low here, if it starts going up, I mean, that kind of almost probably would have teased you a little bit, but it never, this trend line never got to the up. So if that happens, then I'd say go in. But we just now got a warning blip that it's going to start trending to the downside. We did just come up here, but that's a long ways away. And now it went back down. I think this is done with its run. It's got a new box there. All right, it just confirmed to the downside. All right, so is this thing going to retrace some of these candles? It's going to pull back. Well, that's the question. Weekly, we did take out that liquidity there. Came back. We could be coming back down to this institutional level down here. Sometimes I just like to take a small position on a change, just to see where it goes. Kind of, get my feet wet, like $100. Just kind of, put my feet in the water. Is that what they say? Test the water. Let's round up 1,400. Am I boring? Am I boring you people listening to me? Is anyone even listening? That's always what I get to. Eventually, I hope someone will listen to this, and hopefully, I'm not a boring, narrator as we go along here. All right. So it didn't take it. It's still pulling back. It's probably going to take it right now. All right, there we go. All right, so we're kind of still walking along here. Not much. All right. Okay, well, we're at half R already. That's good. What's it gonna do at this fair market value line and this fair market value line, which are essentially the same? Is it going to react off of that and we get out of this thing, or is it going to push through? Let's see. You know, I have the luxury of being able to fast forward through it, whereas otherwise it's 5 minutes, 10 minutes. It looks like it's coming up. Did it just confirm that we're on an uptrend here on the 5 minute? Sometimes we'll go to the 30 minute just for kind of like little extra confirmation of things. But this is my working area. And it pushed through that one and that one. This could be heading further down. Taking out a lot of this liquidity. We are still way down on the trend line here. We are at 1R. It's not bad now. Is it going to react here? Maybe start pulling back to this fair market value line? Or is it going to react more with this box? I'm hoping it'll kind of come up here. Okay. I fast forwarded too much. So now, and we already confirmed down. That might be a buy-in point for somebody. Kind of put it in here, maybe have a stop. Depends on how wide you want to go. I'm not convinced that it's going to continue down. Put a big wide stop here if it does want to run south for this for a while. And if it pops up past here, just get out. Again, I don't know what I'm doing. I sound like I know what I'm doing? I don't know. We're bopping and weaving along this. We keep projecting off of this area. I don't see any other. This one. Yeah. Does it want to go up or does it want to go down? Let's see what it does off of here. Is it going to bounce off there or go through it? Don't bounce off. Keep going. Keep going. No. Keep going. All right. It's definitely found an area of consolidation. Doesn't know if it wants to go up or down. We're still in. We're in the profit. Just bounced off of this liquidity level, and this is that retest. You know, a lot of times when you're looking at trend lines and things, this is that retest that you get. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking this thing is going to go down. We'll see. Come on. It doesn't want to get through this. We're above fair market value here now. Okay, we have a full candle. Yeah, I'm gonna just get out for nothing. All right, break even. This could be an excellent entry point if someone wanted to put in a very small order if it turns around like it might be doing right now. No, it's gonna confirm long very soon. Right here, it's going to confirm long. All right, it confirmed long. I'm going to call the video now. I don't want it to go too long and lose you. If there's any new viewers or any viewers, you know, I'd like to hope people come in. So that wasn't bad. That was a good trade. I held it too long, but I got out for break even. I just kind of wanted to watch it go down. You know, when it started walking up this area here, could have just gotten out. But, you know, we rode it. I thought maybe it might bounce off this and then continue down, maybe taking out some of these levels. But that's that for now. I hope you all have a great rest of your day, your evening, your morning, and God bless.